Hey everybody, my name is Alana Sterling, aka Mermaid Unicorn on Twitch, and I'm going to be showing you step by step how to get your song on Spotify and all other music streaming services. It's super simple. You don't need to be a pro musician. You don't need a record label. All you need is a song and a distributor. So there's a lot of distributors out there, but the best one in my opinion is DistroKid. And I've been using them since the beginning of my career. They make everything super simple and straightforward. It's just a really small yearly fee for unlimited uploads, and they take 0% of any of your profits. So all the money you're making from your digital sales and streaming goes directly to your bank account, and it's really easy to sign up. First, you're going to want to follow that little link in the description below that takes you to my VIP link, which will give you 7% off your plan. Once you've signed up, entered your email, and all of your payment information, it's time to choose which of the 3 plans you want. If you're just starting out, you're going to want to go with the Tier 1 musician plan. With your discount, this is about $18.60 a year, which works out to about $1.50 a month. And that gives you unlimited song uploads, as well as a very fancy Spotify check mark. Now, when you upload your songs with the Tier 1 musician plan, they will go live on Spotify, iTunes, Google Play within about 24 to 48 hours of you uploading them. That is like the quickest turnover rate ever. And the only reason it would even take that long is because that's how long it takes the stores to process and approve your songs before putting it out there for the public to see and buy. Tier 2 is the Musician Plus plan, which I personally have upgraded to and would highly recommend for anybody who's taken their music a little more seriously and want to get it to that next level with your release. It gives you way more customization options than the Tier 1 plan that DistroKid offers, and this includes the ability to set a custom release date in the future. With that, you can set up a pre-save page so people can pre-purchase and pre-order your song before it ever goes live in the stores. While you're waiting for that release day, you have tons of time to build up the hype by getting people talking about it, posting on your social media, get people engaged, talk to bloggers, reach out to a publicist, playlists, and plan a music video. Just get that hype ball rolling so that on the day of your release, everybody's talking about it and you can maximize your engagement. Tier 3 is the label plan. Now, I don't know why you would want to use this unless maybe you are an actual label, or maybe you have a house with like 7 kids who are all in different bands and all of them want to be uploading their music under different names. Then maybe this package would make sense for you. But I'm assuming that you're probably going to be in the 1 or 2 category. Anyways, by now you should have picked a plan, so let's move on to the next step. Now that you got your account set up and you've selected which plan, we can upload your song. Already, let's go. So click that upload button and you're gonna come to this page. It's as simple as filling out this form. So first you wanna select which service you want your song to be on. Do you want it on Spotify, Apple Music? You can get your stuff on TikTok. Sure, do it. Then people can make videos with your song on TikTok. I've done it and it's really, really cool. I've made some money from people using my song in their TikTok videos. Select the number of songs if you're just doing a single, or you can upload an entire album all at once, up to 50 songs, which is bonkers. I don't know anybody with a 50-track album, but if you want to do that, all the power to you. Here you want to select your artist band name. Now this step is really, really important. Make sure you have your Spotify and Apple Music accounts already linked. If you haven't set up an account yet, I would pause this video, go do that now. Secure your artist page, and then come back here with your URI, which is your unique artist code. Enter that in there, and that'll make sure that your music is uploaded to the right directory. Very important. You want your money going to you, not someone else with the same name. So I'm Alana Sterling. That's my artist name. We're already synced here. Bam, perfect. Good to go. Now for release date, I have this option because I'm a Tier 2. Tier 1s don't necessarily have this option, but again, as I mentioned, Tier 1, your songs will be on the market within 24 to 48 hours for Spotify, Google Play, and iTunes, and every other streaming service, it can take about 1 week, up to 2 weeks maximum. So let's pick a date. I'm gonna put my single out on the 20th. That's a Friday, which is great because there's always new release Fridays on Spotify. So that's a good spot to put it on. And let's do it at 2 p.m. I'm not a morning person, so 2 p.m. in, let's do it New York time, which is my time. I'm in Ottawa, Canada, but nobody cares, so. This is where I can select a pre-order, and I think this is also just for tier 2s, but let's do a pre-order. Enter your record label. This again is another tier 2 option. If you're tier 1, it'll just automatically say DistroKid Records. So another good reason if you're taking your music seriously and want to make sure your record label is known, get that tier 2 plan. You can always upgrade to a tier 2 plan or a tier 3 plan after the fact as well. So don't worry about locking in your plan now. You can always change it later. Let's upload our album art. Bam! Beautiful. Language, genre. This song is R&B soul and it's kind of hip hop too. So let's select that as a secondary one. Enter your song name. Bam. Simple as that. Grab your audio file. I wrote this song, music and lyrics, Alana May Sterling. Do I have explicit lyrics? No, I don't think I swear in this one. No, okay. Track pricing is another thing that you can customize with your tier 2 plan. Tier 1, it'll just automatically set it as about $1, and this is subject to change where countries have currency differences. So it might be more expensive in Canada because our dollar sucks, and might be less expensive in Europe where the euro is more valuable. These are the optional extras. I'll leave you to read those. I usually don't check any of them, but maybe you want them. Who knows? And then select all these boxes, read the distribution agreement so you know what you're signing up for, and then click done once you're ready to upload that song. Are you excited? Your song's almost there. Your song's almost on the internet. Double check before you click that button though. You want to make sure everything is all set the way that you want it. Make sure you uploaded the final version of your track, not the, take 2, not the unmastered version. Make sure you got the right version for your audio file. Double check everything and done. Here we go, guys. Here we go. It's time. It's time. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. This might take a second. And then it'll take you to this page. Done. That was easy, wasn't it? Yes, DistroKid. It was very easy. Thank you for making it so easy. Now we can get to work. It says we made a pre-save page to help you get more listeners. So let's go preview that pre-save page. Kablamo, chemicals. Here you go. So now people can pre-save my song on Spotify, and then once the stores have approved it, then you'll also be able to pre-purchase it through this link. This also allows people to follow me. If I customize it, you can share on Twitter, share on Facebook, etc., etc., etc. So there's my pre-save page. Once we're done that, now it's time for step 3. Once you've done all the uploading and your single's been processed, while we're waiting for it to be put out in stores, let's go to the My Music dashboard. You can check the status of your release. You can see all the different platforms that it's going to be on. I even uploaded it to Soundtrack by Twitch, so people on my Twitch channel can use it. Awesome. Click that, and now we're gonna add our lyrics. So click here, plain lyrics. This is gonna give you a little sheet here, and you can put your lyrics in there. Once you have your lyrics in, you'll be able to just go to Google and literally search your name and your lyrics for your song, and it'll show up like this. How cool is that? So people can sing along to your track from home. Then you're gonna want to edit your team. Let's say you have a producer who's taking a cut, or maybe you were working with other artists on this track and you have a 50-50 split for the rights of it. You can edit your team here and add additional team members, split up your money however you want it, and then that way, when the money comes in, it's automatically going to be going to the right people, and you don't have to worry about it at the end of the year when taxes come around. Taxes. Also on this page, you can update your credits. Let's say you want to credit the songwriter, producer, engineer, notes, acknowledgements, anything you want to add. Make sure you give credit to your musicians. Come on, guys. Add it here and then click save. Once your song's been approved by stores, you're going to get an IRSC code as well as a UPC code. These are unique codes for your song. So copy those two, put them in a little Google Doc somewhere, save them, make sure nobody sees them, because these are basically your track ID that you're going to need when you're adding barcodes to your CD. Or the next step we're going to look at is copywriting. Super important. So let's move on to that. The final step in the process is to make sure you are copywriting your music so you get the royalties that you deserve. In Canada, we use SOCAN. In the States, they have ASCAP. There's also Sound Exchange, which will ensure that any radio play, any movies that use your music, anywhere on the internet that's using your music, their system will scan for the sound waves and ensure that you get the money that you deserve for your song. And just like that, you're done! Your music is out on streaming services very soon, so get excited, tell all your friends, don't forget to promote your music, and try and reach out to playlists, etc., so that you can make that release day as big as possible. I couldn't have done this video without Rode microphones. Thank you so much for sending me this beautiful NT2A condenser microphone that I've been using for all of my videos and all of my live streaming when I do on Twitch. Also, if you're digging this beanie and this shirt, I designed them myself, and you can find them in my merch shop at alanasterling.ca/merch. That link is also going to be down in the description below. So, support your fellow musician, click a like, do a subscribe. I don't know, I'm not a YouTuber, but I appreciate you. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your release. If you have any questions at all, please let me know down in the comments. If you want to share your music, go for it. Comment below, and I'll make sure to respond to as many comments as I can. All right, stay safe out there. Mwah! Merms out. Mic drop. Video done. Now we can go eat some burritos. Let's go.